One of the questions I see a lot surrounding AMC stock is, will we break $100 this week? Will we break $100 next week? Like, what are we worried about here? Guys, one step at a time. We first need to break through a couple different levels of resistance before we test that $100 mark. So that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video, because I feel like a lot of people get ahead of themselves and they just want to jump to triple digits. And then as soon as we hit 100, they're going to be asking, when will we hit 200? When will we hit 1,000? And so on and so forth. So take a breath, calm down. Let's discuss a couple of these, I call them baby levels of resistance, right? We've only tapped these levels intraday because we seem to be hitting new highs. And what do you do on that when you don't have a nice daily chart, when you're reaching new territory all the time? Yeah, it's only intraday levels that you can look at. So of course, if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Man, AMC stock has been on a ride over the last month or so. I mean, I remember when we thought $14.50 was expensive. Like, we thought we were bad when we were testing that $14.50 resistance. And then we said, if we break $14.50, 20 is the next level we have in mind. And if we break 20, the sky is the limit. And it turns out that that was pretty accurate, right? We had a little bit of resistance in the $30 range, testing those all-time highs back then. And we broke right through that. And now look where we are. And it didn't take forever to get here. I mean, we're talking just a couple of weeks ago, guys. These levels, these $14.50, that was a level of resistance a couple of weeks ago. So what are we looking at now? Where do we need to see AMC stock go before we once again reach that level of thought and say that the sky is the limit? We have no resistance left in our path. So this level we are currently at right now, this $60 level, is very significant. But it is significant. I can't say it's very significant. We seem to be testing this level, and it seems to be holding up as a decent level of resistance, okay? So 60 is the first step on the chart that we need to break, is $60. If we break 60, where do we go from there? I need a moment of silence for everybody who has made this a level of resistance. But if we break 60, we need to break the level of $69 per share. I don't know why all of you guys think that is so funny to set your sell limits up. It's $69 per share. It's not funny. That doesn't help the movement. The movement is buy the stock and hold the stock, not to buy the stock and sell it at $69 and laugh because you've taken a few dollars gain. No, like set it at $690 if you want to be funnier. $669. Like, I don't care, but $69, guys, we can do so much better than that. So if we break $69 per share, where do we go? The all-time high around the lower 70s, and if we break that, yes, the sky is the limit. Now, here's my concern. Here's my drawback. A lot of people are so fixated on this $100 level that I know they will be selling it when it gets to $100 per share. So when AMC, I would love to say that the sky is the limit beyond that lower 70s. If we break a new all-time high, I would love to say the sky's the limit. But I truly believe that we're going to see some people who are so fixated on $100 per share, I believe that they will be selling there. Now, don't call this FUD. Don't call me a shill for thinking this. Guys, you shouldn't even be concerned about $100 per share. You shouldn't even be concerned about $200 per share or $300 per share or really even $500 per share. The potential is unlimited for AMC. So when you see a lot of people fixated on such low numbers, like when they're so fixated on $100 per share, there's a reason they're fixated on that level, and it's because they're very likely to pull the trigger and sell when it reaches that. So I would love to say the sky's the limit, but I think that we will see some resistance around that level whether it's psychologically significant or for some reason or another, people are actually going out and selling when we get there. Does it mean it's over? Absolutely not. It's over when the shorts have covered. I don't think that the shorts are going to cover at $100 per share. I don't think that we're going to reach margin calls at $100 per share. I don't think that there is a magic number that we can reach, and that's when the margin calls come in. I don't think that we can reach a magic number and the shorts, the hedge funds, are willing to cover their positions at that number. So, yes, we will see resistance on the way up. We will see pullbacks on the way up. If you can't stomach the pullbacks, if you can't stomach the volatility, ask yourself right now why you're buying AMC stock. We're here to see some life-changing money in the prices. We're here to watch AMC go ridiculously high so that people talk about it for the rest of history, right? AMC stock is not just well, we took it to $100, guys. Great job, champ. Now we're done. No, we're here for so much more than that. I hope you're here for more than that. I hope you let us know in the comments that you're here for more than that, because a lot of people are fixated right now on that $100 number, and I don't really know why. If you know why, let us know, but I don't think it's going to trigger a margin call. I think we can go so much higher than $100 per share. But I believe that we will see some levels of resistance there. So let me know down in the comments below, guys, if you think we're going to see resistance at $100, if you think that these levels of resistance that I talked about at $60 per share, $69 per share, and then that all-time high in the lower 70s, if you think that those will hold up as at least some intraday levels of resistance that we need to break through in order to watch AMC stock go higher. And of course, if this is, look, this subscribe button right here, I think it's right here, if it's red, click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. There's a lot of links in the description right now, so make sure to check those links out. If you haven't clicked on them yet, they're there for a reason. Make sure to click on them, see what's going on with those links, and Webull is important. If you haven't signed up for Webull yet, make sure to sign up for Webull. Deposit $100. Even if you sign up and get an account, I believe you can still get a free $4 stock for just opening a brokerage account. But if you deposit $100, you're going to get a couple free stocks. You can sell them if you want. Buy AMC with that money. You've got nothing in the movement, but you are in the movement. If you're still thinking about buying AMC, I don't know what you're waiting on. But if you're still thinking about it, you haven't made that commitment yet, and you're not sure, you can still share this video, and it's going to help the movement. It's going to help everybody else out there, because it's going to get the word out that what we're doing with AMC, because believe it or not, guys, there's still people who haven't heard of AMC and what's going on here and how they can make some life-changing money. So, yeah, I think that pretty much sums it up. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.